Hello guys, this is Super Dan with the LEGO Technic Pocket Wheel Excavator 42055. In my last video, which I called the final, I forgot to show the actual thing in operation with rocks. So the kit comes with a bag labeled 1 with a bunch of little plastic parts that are meant to be rocks. So we're going to do a demonstration using these rocks and see how this thing works. I also wanted to show the size of the excavator, and if I use my ruler here, because this is huge, look at this. This upper conveyor is about 30 inches long. The height is about 16 inches and the length is a good 12 inches. So this is a very, very big model. So now, since I haven't built the dump truck yet, I'll just use a bucket over here to catch the rocks, and we'll start the excavator. Okay, so like I said before, we can adjust the angle of the outlet or discharge conveyor. So we'll leave it like this. And we'll put some rocks inside the excavator. Okay, so we see them coming up here. They're falling down. They fall down over here. Right there. And finally, they fall in my little high-tech, new design dumper truck. So this is very, very cool, as you just saw. So we'll do it one more time. So they fall in here. They go up here, the conveyor. They fall over here, down here, and on this conveyor over here. So this is a live demo with almost real rocks but made of plastic. So I just wanted to show the operation with the rocks that come with the kit. So I hope you enjoyed this final video. So have a good day. Bye.